Imagine waking up tomorrow with the discipline you've always wanted. No more waiting, no more overthinking, no more promising yourself, I'll start on Monday. Psychology says the people who finally change their lives don't have stronger willpower. They simply understand how to stop fighting their own brain. If you've ever dreamed about becoming more successful, healthier, or building a completely different life, but somehow keep ending up in the same place, this video isn't about motivation. It's about understanding the psychological patterns that keep you stuck, and more importantly, how to break them. 1. Stop chasing motivation, build momentum. Most people believe they'll start once they finally feel motivated. They tell themselves they'll begin tomorrow, next week, or when they wake up feeling different. But psychology shows motivation is often the result of action, not the cause of it. The brain builds momentum after you begin, not before. That's why people who take one small step often feel more motivated than people who spend weeks waiting for inspiration. How to fix it? Instead of waiting to feel motivated, make the first action so small your brain can't resist it. Action creates momentum, and momentum creates motivation, not the other way around. 2. Shrink the goal until your brain stops resisting. Big dreams often overwhelm the brain. Someone doesn't avoid starting a business because they're lazy. They avoid it because the brain sees hundreds of difficult steps at once. Psychology shows uncertainty increases avoidance. How to fix it? Instead of focusing on the mountain, focus on the next visible step. When the task feels smaller, the brain becomes more willing to begin. 3. Change your identity before your results. Many people chase goals while secretly believing they are not the kind of person who can achieve them. They say things like, I'm lazy, that I never finish anything. Psychology suggests our actions tend to stay consistent with our identity. If your mind believes you're someone who never follows through, it will constantly look for evidence to prove itself right. How to fix it? Instead of trying to become successful overnight, start collecting proof that you're someone who keeps promises to yourself. Small actions slowly rewrite identity. Eventually, the behavior becomes natural. 4. Make progress impossible to ignore. The brain loves evidence. One reason people quit is because progress feels invisible. You work hard for days or even weeks, but nothing seems different. Eventually, the brain starts wondering if the effort is even worth it. Psychology shows the brain responds strongly to visible progress. How to fix it? So that's why crossing off calendar days, tracking workouts, or checking off completed tasks feels surprisingly satisfying. It turns invisible growth into something your brain can actually see. The more evidence your brain has that you're moving forward, the easier it becomes to keep going. 5. Stop negotiating with yourself. Every day your brain offers small excuses, and the problem isn't the excuse itself. It's that every time you accept it, your brain learns that avoiding discomfort is normal. Psychology shows habits become stronger through repetition. How to fix it? The more often you negotiate with yourself, the easier quitting becomes. But the opposite is also true. So every time you act despite not feeling like it, you strengthen a new habit of following through. Eventually, discipline stops feeling difficult because your brain begins expecting action instead of excuses. Your future isn't decided by how motivated you feel, and it isn't decided by how many times you promise yourself you'll start tomorrow. It's decided by the small actions you repeat when no one is watching. Because in the end, the life you've been dreaming about doesn't begin with a perfect plan. It begins with the decision to take the first step today.